For sneezing? You know, I sneeze my whole life every once in a while. Every so many weeks or months, I just sit in there and then I just sneeze. You know, you got a southern accent with it, right? So probably be more, you know, achoo y'all, you know. So, chew y'all. Achoo y'all. Something like that. I guess once you do a certain quantity of sneezing and stuff, you know, it's like it becomes like a common thing. You know, it's like saluting over and over. You know, it's just like just more acceptable and more fun. It's like Heil Hitler during the war. You know, when they only did it once in a while, it was like Heil Hitler. But then as days went by, it's like Heil Hitler, Heil Hitler. You know what I mean? That kind of thing. It's like just becomes the norm. You know, it's, you know, HH. You know.